Listening is the key to better English speaking. The more real English conversations you listen to, the more fluent you will become. Remember, deep learning is the #1 secret to English fluency. If you want to speak English fluently and automatically, you have to repeat the same lesson over and over again until you master it. Are you an animal lover? Yes, I am. I love animals. Are you raising any pets? Yes, I have a pit bull puppy at home. What is it like? My puppy is friendly, highly intelligent and well-behaved. He always waves his tail and licks my hand to welcome me home. What does he look like? He's a medium-sized puppy with a strong neck, broad chest and brown hair. What are its habits? My pit bull puppy loves doing exercise every day. When he plays to win. What do you usually do with it? We usually play tennis together. My puppy helps me pick up tennis balls. What does it like to eat? He loves beef, chicken and some dairy products. What do you learn from it? He teaches me loyalty. An adult pit bull may make me feel safe. Why do people keep pets? They consider pets as their loyal companions which make their life better.
Are pets well looked after in your country?
Yes. People in my country love pets. What practical skill have you learned? Cooking is a practical skill that I have practiced recently. Who taught you that skill? My mom is the best cook. She taught me everything about how to make soup, salad, omelets, cake, etc. How did you learn it? She shows me how to buy food, prepare ingredients, and cook meals whenever she's in the kitchen. I learn how to boil, grill, steam, fry, braise, etc. day by day. Why did you learn it? I just want to be a good cook like my mom when I get married. I will prepare the best dishes for my husband and children. I learned it in 4 years. The skill seems to be strengthened when I live apart from my family for studying. How often do you use this skill? I cook every day. I also love homemade food. How has this skill helped you? It makes me more confident whenever I go on a picnic outside. I'm always responsible for the BBQ. Do people in your family know this skill, too? My younger sister knows how to cook, too. She has just started learning. Do all skills need learning? Yes, they do. Practice makes perfect. How is this skill important to you? It's an essential life skill. All women need to know this to keep their family warm and happy.